In this tutorial, let's build a smart AI agent for WhatsApp designed to automate your sales process. This use case demonstrates how to create a bot that doesn't just chat, but performs real business tasks. We will teach the AI to automatically capture customer lead details like names and emails and send them to your external system using a webhook. The AI will also intelligently recognize when a customer asks for a product demo and instantly send a video file about the product in response. This turns a standard WhatsApp conversation into a fully automated sales funnel. Let's get started by navigating to the Flow Builder tab. Click on Create New Flow to begin. We'll name this flow Task Execution. Once created, we start with a standard message trigger for WhatsApp. Next, drag and drop the AI Assistant node onto the canvas. Click to edit the settings. For this demo, we will use OpenAI's GPT 3.5 Turbo model. Now, let's enable task execution. This allows the AI to perform actions based on the user's intent. You can add a manual task by clicking on the Add Task button or select from task templates. For this tutorial, I am selecting the Capture Lead Information template. In the description box, we define when this task should run, specifically when a user provides their contact details. This instruction guides the AI on when to trigger this specific path. Now we need a destination for the captured data. Drag in a webhook node. Each task outputs its handle so it can connect to other nodes. In this case, let's connect the task's output handle to the input of the webhook node. To test this, open a new browser tab and go to webhook.site. This tool gives us a unique URL to view incoming data in real time. Copy the unique URL provided and paste it into the webhook URL field in Flowbuilder. We need to define what to send. In the request body, select JSON. We will structure this to send the message content and the contact name using dynamic variables. Save your flow, and then assign it to your WhatsApp channel to make it live. Let's test the lead capture functionality. Opening WhatsApp, we say, "Hi." The AI responds. Now, acting as a customer, I'll say, "I want to place an order, and here's my contact info," followed by a name and email. The AI recognizes this intent based on our task description and processes the information. If we flip back to webhook.site, we can see the request came through instantly. The JSON body contains the message and the contact name, confirming our lead capture task is working perfectly. Now, let's add a second capability, video sharing. Back in the AI Assistant settings, add a new task and select Share Video. We'll name this task Share Product Video. Crucially, we need to modify the description. We'll tell the AI, only execute this function when the user clearly asks for a video about Meta Quest 3. This ensures the AI doesn't send the video randomly, but only when explicitly requested. With the task saved, drag a Send Video node onto the canvas and upload your video file. We can also add a caption. Let's make it personal by using the variable contact.name to address the user by name. For example, "Dear contact name, watch this video about Meta Quest 3. Let's go back to WhatsApp. I'll ask, "I want to see the video." The AI analyzes the intent, matches it to the Share Video task, and immediately delivers the uploaded video file with the personalized caption. It works perfectly. Finally, let's add another task for re-engagement. Similarly, add a description for the follow-up task so the AI can trigger the follow-up node connected to that task's handle. Add a follow-up node. We can configure this to be sent after a delay, for example, 1 hour after the conversation starts. In the cancellation settings, enable Cancel if user responds. This prevents the bot from sending a follow-up if the user has already replied, ensuring the conversation feels natural and not spammy. Save your flow, and your multitasking AI agent is ready to go.